Hello guys, my name is Mikey and today I'm very excited to introduce you the best ICT or smart money concepts, indicator or strategy we have ever created. It took us a lot of time spent, but it is finally done. Lots of members asked for this strategy because you can backtest all trades in history up to 20 years by only one click, and you can get detailed statistics about this backtesting. So please look this video until the end because there will be lots of very interesting and important information. So if you want to know how to get this strategy, or if you want to know more information, please send me an email to ict.trades.strategy@gmail.com. This strategy is called ICT Trades, as you can see here. It is based on ICT SM Trades premium indicator, which is this one. There is also free indicator, public indicator, ICT SM Trades, which you can try. So the settings are the same as in this indicator, as in this premium indicator, which you can see here. From here are core settings of the indicator. There's these 6 settings. You can filter by or show long trades, short trades. You can filter trades by daily bias, by trend, or by session. You can also show the daily bias, show trend. As you can see, this red background is the trend. So there is downtrend. You can show sessions, show fair value gaps, show order blocks, show breaker blocks. You can customize the trend. This is a multi-time frame trend. So we are on the 15-minute time frame on the AUD CAT, but our trend is from the daily time frame. The trend is based on super trend, so you can change super trend factor and super trend ATR length. You can also change the fair value gap, minimum fair value gap size. And minimum order block move, which is 2. Here, when you filter trades by session, you can choose which session are active, and you can change the dates to have London session or New York session or Asia session, sorry, and you can set your session time zone. Also, you can change the styles. All these settings, all these, especially core settings, have been explained in previous videos. I will link the video to the end of this video where the settings are explained. So if you want to more about these settings, you can also read these tooltips, or you can look at the end of the video and you will find the video attached about these settings. Okay, so the settings are the same as I told you, but there are some new strategy properties, as you can see here. This is some new settings, and also the strategy has these new tab properties where you can fill initial capital, which is 100,000 here. Base currency, please do not change this, always leave it as a default, and do not use this order size because order size is here with this risk. This is some custom risk, because this doesn't work as I want it to be working, so please use only this risk. But all other settings like pyramiding, commission, slippage, margin, recalculating, backtesting precision work. Okay, pyramiding is maximum number of successive entries allowed in the same direction. So if one long trade is took or taken, there will be no second long trade taken until the first will close. Okay. So these are the properties. So always fill this initial capital, and after that, it is also written here. Strategy initial balance must be filled in indicator settings properties, which is here. Do not change base currency and do not use order size. Other properties work. Okay. So what are these settings? Or I can show you, for example, this trade, which is here. So as you can see, we have liquidity. This is pivot high to pivot highs, which create liquidity. There is a liquidity grab, market structure shift to the opposite direction, and after that there is retracement back to the fair value gap or to this breaker block. Breaker block is the orange line, order block is the yellow line. So how does this strategy work? So the first setting is risk. So how much do you want to risk per trade? So this is 1% from initial balance is the first option. Second option is 1% from equity, and the third option is one of default currency. So here default currency is CAD. So if I add here 100, and we will wait some time to load. So we will see that if we lose 100 CAD. Okay. And we have risk-reward ratio 2, which means that our take profit is 2 times more than stop loss. So as we can see, yeah, here is. So here is 100. This is a little bit more than I expected. I don't know why. I just try to do it like this. Oh, sorry, I didn't change this. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so I didn't change it to off default currency, so we will wait again. I'm sorry, guys. So just a second, I will show you what is the result. So if we win, we will win 200. If we lose, we will lose 100. As you can see, if we win, we will win 200. If we lose, we will lose 100. So this is the list of the trades of the strategy, okay? So here we win 200 CAD. But I change it back to initial balance, percent from initial balance. So 1% from 100,000 is yeah, it's 1,000, right? So we should lose 1,000 or we should profit 2,000. Yeah, that's right. It is always in the default currency, but for backtesting purposes, it doesn't matter. Okay, so what are the entry types? There are all limit types. The first one is first fair value gap in the middle, first fair value gap in the beginning. So as you can see here, we have two fair value gaps here, and where price retraces back after market structure shift. This is the first fair value gap. This is the second or the last fair value gap. So if you want to enter on the first fair value gap middle, it is here in the middle. There is a middle line, as you can see here. If you want to enter in first fair value gap beginning, it is here. Last fair value gap, it is this one, and in the middle it is here, this middle line, and last fair value gap beginning is here, okay? Or you can enter in order block, which is this yellow line, or you can enter in breaker block, which is this orange line. So I can show you. So this is the entry on the breaker block. Oh, sorry, on the first fair value gap in the middle, as you can see here. I can change it, for example, to breaker block. So we should now enter a little bit higher here, okay? Yeah, so sometimes it happens that you need to reload it because there is so much calculation. So I just reload it. I have just reloaded it, and we will need to wait some time. So where are we? Yeah, we are here. So did it change? Yes. So limit breaker block, as you can see, we are entering here on the breaker block. Okay. So this is the entry type. There is also stop-loss type. You can have stop-loss on the wick of the liquidity grab candle or on the body, which is here. Okay. So if you choose body, you will have better risk-reward ratio, but you will have more stop losses. It's up to you. There is also setting for to have only one position at a time. So if you will enter short right here, so when it is open, you will not open any other position, okay, until it is closed here, and here you can open new position. If you uncheck this, you can open sell position here. You can then open next sell position here if there is a trade, new trade, and so on. And the last thing, you can move stop loss to break even after X risk-reward ratio. So when the price reaches 1 risk-reward ratio, which is here, so this is stop loss is 9 pips. So after the price reaches 9 pips, which is somewhere here, yeah, here, then the stop loss will be moving with every pip to the take profit. The stop loss will be moving in the direction of the take profit, okay? And you can also check this trailing take profit, which means that the original take profit will be removed set by this risk-reward ratio setting, and it will close only when this moving stop loss is hit. Okay, guys, so I can show you some examples. Do we have some? No, we don't have any here. So this is the first example I have shown you. This is the second example. Here we are entering on the breaker block and we are closing it here. Okay, so liquidity grab, market structure shift, and so on. If I change it to, for example, first fair value gap middle, we need to wait. And yeah, there will be no entry because there is no fair value gap. Just a second and we will see that it's like I said. Yeah, there is no entry, okay? So, yeah, there is, okay. I can show you some more trades. So here we are entering on the breaker block, risk-reward ratio is 2. We are here moving stop loss to break even after X risk-reward ratio. So here, liquidity grab, market structure shift here, retracement back to the breaker block, orange line, and here we are closing the profit. Here is the next breaker block, but it hasn't been hit yet. And do we have any more trades? As you can see here, trend is changing. Here is the long trend, sorry. Yeah, here is something that is called break even, because we entered here on this breaker block, price moved up, but it retraced back, but the stop loss have moved since then, and it was closed on the break even. Do we have something more? Yes. So here is the liquidity grab, market structure shift. Very nice retracement to the breaker block. It is sniper entry, and here we are closing in the risk-reward ratio of the 2, so 2R. Okay. So the next things, these are the examples of the trades. Next things is that the strategy, backtesting, or the strategy tester, where you can see some overview of the backtesting. As you can see, our net profit is 19%. So we have earned 19% overall. Okay, so that's very nice. We have total closed trades 47%. Profitable is 46, so 46 of the trades were profitable. And it is logical because we have risk-reward ratio 2. It is not possible to have more than 50, 60, or 70% profitable because our take profit is 2 times more than the stop loss, okay? But our profit factor is very nice, 1.7. Here you can see the max drawdown and average trade. Here you can see some chart where this is the trades, number of trades, and this is the probably balance or something like that. So you can see nice chart here. of your balance or equity moving by time. Here you can see some more detailed performance summary, gross profit, gross loss, max drawdown, max run up, and so on. And here you can see the full list of all the trades. So if you want to check some trade, if you want to check, for example, this trade, you can scroll to bar, and here you can see that we have entry here on the first value gap middle, yeah, right here, and here is the take profit. Okay, so yeah, that's it for that, but I want to tell you something more. You have this new ability, which is the deep backtesting, and you can generate report for the backtesting up to November 2001 or 21. So it is approximately 22 years back. It can vary with every asset, but this is the, if you want to backtest these particular settings that you have set 20 years back, you can click generate report by one click, and you will get detailed backtest results 20 years back on this asset, on this time frame, which is super, which is very great. So this can save you lots of time backtesting, guys. You can do it now with only one click. So you can also create alerts here. So just create, or you can give some alert name. With these alerts, you can create a trading bot. Yeah, so I can record a video about connecting to services or brokers with alerts to API. If you want to, just leave me a comment or send me an email that you would like to see this video, how you can connect to these middleware services or brokers, how you can create your custom trading bot. It is done by these alerts. In the message, you type this strategy order action contracts, and on the notifications you must fill this webhook URL, and you can create your custom trading bot. So this is possible, and yeah, and this is okay, like this. And the last thing is, as you can see before, sometimes the strategy fails to load. It is because there is so much calculation to finding these ICT trades. So if it happens, just reload the chart and it should go on. There is 20-second maximum loading in free accounts, and there is 40 seconds loading in paid accounts by TradingView. This is the TradingView terms. So if it is failing lots of times, just you can buy the pro account on the TradingView or something like that, and it should let you or it should let the script to load 40 seconds, not only 20. So you can consider buying a pro account if you want. I don't know, maybe it will be working on the free accounts very well. So it also depends what is the history and how many trades are there. So guys, that's all for this strategy. I'm very excited about this. You can only with one click backtest 20 years back all the trades on any asset or any time frame. So guys, if you want to get more information how to get it, please leave a comment or send me an email to ict.trades.strategy@gmail.com, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.